Okay, here we come with the tractor. Kubota BX25. We got the grapple on it and the bucket in the grapple. Coming out of our little Quonset hut up on the mountain. So we're going to try to do the Eggxcavator challenge with a backhoe. Don't need the bucket, so I'm going to dump that off. I'm going to do some work after this, so I don't need the bucket. And I got plenty of stumps to choose from to put the egg on. So I'm just going to pull up to one that's near the road, or near the turnaround. And set her up. Yeah, I'm going to do this with the backhoe. Not going to do it with the grapple like orange is the new green. And I have pins in this to keep it upright when it's in the shed, unlike Ross on the land. How'd you like my bungee cord, patent pending, to keep my outriggers up? Okay, I got a thumb on here which is fixed, basically a mechanical manual thumb. It stays in one position. You can change the positions, but that's what it is. There's my eggs. Yeah, I only brought up 6 eggs. There's my bottle to put it on. You notice all those stumps I could have chose from. I still got to get those removed. And that backhoe just isn't big enough to do it. There's my egg. Or I should say the backhoe is probably big enough, but some of the rocks in there, the little machine can't pick up. So I need something bigger. BX25, you gotta turn that seat around in order to use the backhoe. Or you can lean over it, but this is going to be precision work, or sort of precision work. So I want to sit in the seat. And as you can tell, there's not a good visibility on this seat to the backhoe, to the thumb. You guys are going to have the best sight in the whole thing here. Alright, let's get this in position. That thumb has to be right next to the egg because it don't move. The bucket moves, but that thumb does not move. And you can hear it there. That's as far as it's going to extend out. Just not close enough. Okay. Move it out of the way so I don't bump it out. Let's back it up. No, a little too far. There we go. Okay, put the outriggers back down. Climb back up there again. Get comfy. And here we go. So the thumb doesn't move. Got to get the thumb in there close. That center tooth comes right up the middle of that thumb. So I can get it just right. And look, I haven't got much view there. I just stick my head down there for a little bit. Trying to get that egg up. Oh! Well, it's not on the bottle. And now it's not in the backhoe. Yeah, cracked. One down. Okay, move the backhoe out of the way. Get the bottle, put the bottle back up, put the egg back on the bottle. New egg. Not that same egg, that one was cracked. Number 2. Here we go. Gotta get that thumb in the right position. Move in the bucket. And, oh. Oh, man. All right, it's off. Okay, moving it over. Look underneath. You can see the white egg. Can't see diddly squat. Oh, no. That egg's leaking. And it wasn't very well. That's cracked. It's crying. Poor thing. Okay, that's number 2. Down. Let's put on number 3. And we're going by Outdoors with the Morgans rules. 3 eggs. Pick it up. Don't crack it. Oops. That was quick. Look at it again. Oh! I think that's cracked. All right. Gotta get off. Go around the camera. Pick it up. Yeah, it's dead. Okay, that was just too quick. Just too quick on that one. So we're gonna redo that. Sort of like Safety Third from Killing It Country with his little army of girls. They had the BX25, 23 out there, and they put a board on it because their stuff didn't line up. So I didn't have to do that. Mine actually lined up. Now, I got it off. And there it is. You can see that little area where the tooth would go up in there. There's a slight problem though. Okay, there's more than a slight problem. I don't know how it did it, because that tooth is not touching that egg. Put the camera back down. Okay, so it's being held there somehow just by, yeah. And besides, it's cracked too. So that was a pseudo third one because the third one really went fast. So there's my 3 eggs that I gave it a try. I gotta get back to work. This stuff isn't clearing itself. Subscribe, like, give me a comment down below about what you think about this.